Parents played, you know, I liked the music that they were listening to.
Got original 1972 Cadillac Eldorado convertible radio. This has been a long time in the making. We had the push buttons all re-chromed, push bar. It's got brand new knobs on it. Face has been redone, the background, redone the case, and we've done a full Aurora Design conversion on it. It's got AM, FM stereo, auxiliary in, 4 channels out, 45 watts a channel. It does have a pre-out on it for a sub. USB port, this is your harness you'll be getting. This will play a thumb drive and charge your devices. This is a thumb drive you'll be getting with some music on it. Your auxiliary in's right above it. It has a Bluetooth, voice command, voice assistance. We're going to run it all in and show you. Built-in fader, built-in balance in your toner control. Right now you're on FM. The owner wanted a green behind the stereo light. It is a flip dial Wonder Bar. Wonder Bar works like it should.
And that may
and stay at the hotel.
Promotion.
Built-in fader. There's your fronts, your rears. Treble and bass like you've always had. If you go to the center notch on it and go counterclockwise twice, it'll beep. And when it gets through beeping, you'll be in the balance mode. As long as you're moving that control, you can balance from right to left. There's your right sides, your left sides. As long as you're moving that, it will stay in that mode. You find what you want. When you do, just stop. It'll beep once. Now you're back on treble and bass.
Know about God. You know what God? His character and what He has done, the more spirited your worship will become. The knowledge of the Word is the motive for true worship. You're listening to Bible Q&A with John.
Auxiliary in is automatic.
For information about John's New Testament commentaries, go to MacArthurCommentaries.com.
We're going to plug a little iPod into it. You don't have to touch the radio. It will automatically change over. All you do is put it into your harness here. You'll get a male-to-male cord like this one. And fire up your device, satellite radio, CD players, your phone, whatever you want to put in it. And just plug it in and turn it on and hit play is all you got to do.
Give a gift and request the promise of Jesse Woods today at moodyradiogift.com.
Turn on play. Goes right straight to it.
I don't want to spend another lonely night.
Any device you have plugged in, you'll notice back behind the FM here or AM, it will be kind of green lit up. When you get ready to come off your devices, all you do is just simply turn them off, and in 20 seconds the radio will go back to where we had it set. If you don't want to wait to 20 seconds, just simply turn the radio off and right back on. We're going to let it run its thing. Make sure it switches back since we just built this in last night. Alright, back on stereo FM where we had it set. We'll go to AM radio. You just flip it over. Take it straight to AM radio.
25th, legendary songwriter and actor J.D. Souther, Friday, September 12th.
River meets the road about his upbringing.
All your push buttons still work like they always did, and presets. gonna run our phone in. It comes with a push button if you want it. These come in red and blue. We're gonna bring our phone up and we're gonna pair up for the first time. And once you pair up, you shouldn't have to pair up anymore. Every time you get in the car, the voice assistants will come on and tell you device connected. Let's go to Bluetooth. And now we're going to hold the button down. We're going to pair up.
Ready to pair.
Showed up on our phone. When we tap on it, she will tell us when it's done.
Pairing completed. Device connected.
Now you notice the button is lit up all the time. We're going to do a voice command. You actually have a mic built in the face of this one. Plus you get an extra mic in case you want to get it a little closer to you, since it is a convertible, so you can hear. All you do to bring up your phone is hold it down again. Play music. Now it's going to music on my phone. I can get my phone to operate right. Mine always starts out at a lower volume. In order to advance your songs, just press it once. Phone call comes in, you'll hear it ringing. Just hit your button once to answer your call and talk. Let the phone hang up when you're done, or hit it twice to end the call. You don't have to use voice command. You can just press off. It'll go back to radio, and press on. It will go back to phone. Since we got the mic in it, we are going to use the voice command. Hold it down again. Stop music. Now we're going right back to radio. That's how your Bluetooth and all work. Hand-free phone calls, text people, whatever your smartphone is capable of doing. Your USB, once you get your radio in and plug this in, it's automatic. When you plug this in, it'll go straight to it. To advance your songs the same way as your phone, press it down once. Twice to repeat and back up. Now you can hide this if you want to. The only time you got to take this out, put more music on it, or charge your devices. If you want to go back to radio, you just hold this down 1 second. Now it's gone to pause. This light's going to blink a couple times. And we're going to go back to FM. Back on radio. If you want to go back to it while you're going down the road, 1 second. Right back to your thumb drive. That's how your 1972 Cadillac Eldorado with a full Aurora Design conversion works. You also have more stations, less stations on your Seek and Scan. Also, your phone, you have a push button with it, but if you want to change your songs, all you got to do is press your bar. Your bar acts as your button, answer your phone calls, everything. Back up, repeat. Same way you can do with your bar up here. Phone call comes in, press your bar, answer, and call. Talk. It's one good thing about having a Wonder Bar. You get a wiring harness, everything comes with it, light, I appreciate you letting me do it for you. Sorry it took so long. Thank you.